Hello everyone, this is Charles from Luxmore. I am going to teach everyone how to search properties in other places in BC. Regularly, you enter this interface. You only can search places, for example, I'm going to show you these areas, right? What if you want to find some property from Victoria or from Kamloops or other places? What can you do, right? And even regions, you can only search to Chilliwack, right? So here's a function from resource. This one, Interface Express. Click on it. You'll be entering into a different interface, and then you can log in. Okay. So after you log in, click on search. When you click Interboard, there's Northern BC, Kamloops, Kootenay, Powell River, Interior BC, new on different board, Vancouver Island. So if you want to search on Kamloops, click on that and go to search. If you're looking for a single family dwelling, click on that. And then you want 3 bedrooms, bedrooms, right? Freehold. Now, see active, 65. Click search. Now you see all the 65 listings. So there are different views, thumbnail and map view. You can see where all the listings are located, and you can click the listings to review the details. There are photos and information detail on the right side.